just gonna change and I'll be right back out, okay? Okay. Excuse me. Can I shut this?
Ryder, can you get any closer? Oh, shit.
Good.
Bro, you trying to eat the water? What you doing?
Can we watch TV in peace? Can we watch TV, please?
I gotta go. You put your paw there. I gotta go.
Swear to God, if you fart here, what are we doing?
These dogs have no clue what personal space is, do you? No, you don't.
You couldn't take 2 minutes?
No more kissing.